little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw for you different types of makeup kits. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I will learn you all the makeup kits names. First one I am drawing, this is called eyeliner. Now I'm drawing a beautiful lipstick. This is called a lipstick. And this is nail polish. And this is a heart-shaped clip. And now I'm drawing, this is called eyeshadow plate. This is a beautiful flower clip for hair. And the last one I am drawing a beautiful butterfly clip. I completed to draw the picture, now it's time to color it. I'm using here brush pen color to color these beautiful makeup kits. Purple color, deep blue color, light pink color, red color, light blue color, deep pink color, deep green color, yellow color, black color, turquoise color, brown color, orange color, grey color, light green color. So let's start coloring with these beautiful colors. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Wow, all the makeup kits are looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.